If you are in need of a reliable and professional land surveyor in the BTM Layout area of Bangalore, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading design and engineering firm, SCON Design has a team of experienced and skilled land surveyors who are dedicated to providing accurate and detailed surveying services. Whether you need a land survey for construction purposes, property boundaries, or any other land-related project, SCON Design is equipped to handle it efficiently and effectively. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land, determining property boundaries, and identifying any potential issues or obstacles that may affect the project. With their expertise in using advanced surveying equipment and techniques, land surveyors play a vital role in ensuring the success and compliance of any construction or development project. At SCON Design, we understand the importance of hiring a qualified and experienced land surveyor. Our team of land surveyors has years of experience and in-depth knowledge in the field of land surveying. They are well-versed with the latest surveying technologies and tools, allowing them to provide precise and reliable surveying services. Our land surveyors are trained to analyze and interpret data accurately, ensuring that you receive comprehensive and accurate survey reports. When you choose SCON Design as your land surveyor in BTM Layout, Bangalore, you can expect professionalism, attention to detail, and a commitment to delivering high-quality results. We understand that every project is unique, and our team takes the time to understand your specific requirements and objectives. This allows us to tailor our surveying services to meet your needs effectively. Precise survey reports. Delivering accurate results. We are well equipped to handle all your land surveying needs. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements and how we can assist you. As a leading land surveyor in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers comprehensive surveying services for both residential and commercial properties. With our expertise and advanced technology, we provide accurate and reliable land surveying solutions to meet the needs of our clients. Whether you are a developer, builder, or homeowner, our team of experienced surveyors is committed to delivering high-quality results. At SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, we understand the importance of precise land surveying in the development and construction process. Our team utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and software to ensure accurate measurements and detailed mapping of the land. With our advanced technology, we can provide clients with detailed reports, including boundary lines, topographic features, and elevation data. Our land surveyors in BTM Layout have extensive experience in conducting various types of surveys, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and land subdivision. We work closely with our clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor our services accordingly. Our team is equipped to handle projects of all sizes and complexities, providing efficient and cost-effective solutions. As a part of